Hello. Oh, you just chilling. Hello, what's up? That's good to see you all together. That's you are chilling right now.
We are chilling right now.
Oh my God. Are they all of your friends?
Bro, go to Winco and go get you some chicken wings in a bag at Winco. Put them things in the air fryer for like 15 minutes. Suck them bones clean. A little ghost pepper sauce. Delicious.
Oh, really too delicious. Wish I could join with you. I think it would be really good fun.
You said wish you could join with you. Do you like chicken?
100%. I have 45 chicken.
You have 45 chicken?
Curry chicken.
Yeah. Do you wanna see? Do you wanna see them?
Sure, let's see the chickens.
I have 45 chicken. Just a small farm.
Okay, let's see the chickens.
Okay. I'm gonna go there.
Okay. It's daytime over there? What the fuck?
Yeah, it's the daytime. Look at that.
Guess what I just ate for dinner? Chicken! It's daytime over here.
They got cheese?
Chicken.
Wait. Are those turduck? No, what are those? Those aren't turduckets.
Do you see them?
No, they're the vulture chickens. They look like a vulture, but they're chickens.
Yeah.
I see the chickens.
Do you see them?
Oh, snap.
Yeah. They're asking for food. Hold on. My another farm I'm gonna show. Look at that. They are the duck.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Muscovy. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Do you eat the ducks or duck eggs?
Both of them are eaten by
Hey, the
us,
black one.
but mostly I do sell.
You sell them? How much you sell a whole chicken for, or duck?
It's our money. You're from America, right? I'm gonna calculate in your currency. So per kilo it would be $3.5 per kilo.
What is he using? What kind of currency do you guys have there?
It's American dollar, 3.5 US dollars per kilo.
We'll buy all of them. We'll buy all the ducks.
But how much you have to pay per kilo in your country?
Like $15 a duck. And it goes by pound, so like when you auction off a duck, it goes by per pound price.
Chickens for 1 pound.
That's crazy. That's crazy. It's expensive.
Three for you is 1 for us.
All right.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Do you like their meat?
Their meat is alright.
Yeah, that's really.
I'm gonna hand you back over to this one.
Mm-hmm.
Where do you live?
Bangladesh.
Where?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh?
Yeah.
Nice.
Mm-hmm. Where are you gonna go now?
I don't know.
Yes, you are getting ready.
I'm outside right now. Look, outside.
Oh, that's so cool. That's so
It's
cool.
raining.
Oh, it's been raining over there.
Yeah, it's raining a lot.
Like a cats and dog.
Mm-hmm.
But
Like cats and dogs.
yeah, we got really rain last week, but we are gonna get again the rain on the next week.
Have a question.
What is that?
How did you learn to speak English?
Well, that's really a good question, Basically, my target is to have conversation with the native speaker. That because when you speak with me, I always just try to imitate them as well. That's all of my step. How do I learn English?
I don't think I have an accent. I don't have an accent.
Not whatever. You know what? Every single person have their own accent. But you are from America, and I try to follow them as well.
How many languages can you speak?
Only 2 languages I can speak, but my first language is Bangla, and the another one is English.
So you can speak Spanish and English.
Oh, Spanish is too far away. I can't really speak English very well, let alone Spanish.
Little on Spanish.
Very little. Hola, how are you?